Example 2, which region of the graph satisfies this system of nonlinear inequalities? X squared plus y squared is less than or equal to 16. That's going to be the circle, right? And y is greater than or equal to x. That's the line again. First power line. Second power curvy. I can look, hey, that one's curvy, that one's linear. So I know which one's which just by that knowledge. Let's go with Austin. Pick me a test point. Can't be 0, 0 because again that goes to 0, 0.
0, 1.
That's perfect. 0, 1. There's Austin's test point. So with Austin's test points, we're going to write test point x equals 0, y equals 1. So we identify our test point, do that first. Every x is going to change to 0, every y is going to change to 1, and we're going to see true or false for both of these graphs. So if we start off with the circle, x changes to 0, 0 squared is 0, y changes to 1, 1 squared is 1, less than 16. That's obviously true. Right? The blue dot is inside the circle. The regions inside the circle are B and C. If that happened to say false, that means the blue dot inside the circle is false. Everything inside the circle is false, so then A and D would be the regions. So if you get a true, you pick the regions that have the same characteristic as the point. If it's false, you pick the regions that have the opposite characteristic as the point. So you don't have to redo it to get a true. Same test point, other graph, other equation. Y, which is 1, is supposed to be greater than x, which is 0. That looks true to me also. True. And looking at the dot is above the line. A and B are the regions that are both above the line. So we know A and B work for the line, B and C work for the circle, so the correct answer is region B. Okay, let me show you one weird situation that could happen, just in case it happens. Suppose you have a circle, let's say you have a line that's not going through the circle like that. And let's say the line's supposed to be shaded over here, and the circle's supposed to be shaded over here. There's no overlap at all, so the answer is the empty set in that situation. So if you get a situation where these two regions and those two regions, nothing matches, empty set it. That could happen. I don't know if they'll do that to you, but most of the time this is going to happen.
Even if like
2 here, one will match, that's the answer.
Like even if, you don't even have to start working out the problem if they're not in relation.
Well, you do your testing, right?
Yeah.
And you get these two, like this would say AB and this would say CD. And that's not possible. So then you say empty set. All right. So if that happens, that's how you deal with it. But again, most of the time it happens like this, where you get 2 here, you get 2 here, one of them matches, the one that matches is the right answer.